Hello, welcome to FJS Easy Math Zone. Understand the concept in easy way. Grade 5, Chapter 1, The 4 Operations, Introduction Part 1. Topics to be covered in this chapter are the 4 operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Word problems on these 4 operations. Estimation in 4 operations. Today's class we are going to discuss what I have learned. First problem, add 2,92,821 and 6,10,238. First step, draw the place value chart for this number. You have here 6 digits. Draw the place value chart for 6 digits. Then write the numbers under the place value. So numbers are arranged under the place value. Then next step, you have to add these two numbers. For adding the number, you have to start from right. 8 plus 1 plus 8, 9. 2 plus 3, 5. 8 plus 2, 10. 0. Then 1 carry over. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 0, 3. 9 plus 1, 10. 1 carry over. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 6, 9. So now the answer is 9,03,059. Second problem, subtract 3,84,257 from 8,40,366. So first step, you draw the place value chart. So here the number of digits is 6. Draw the place value chart for 6 digits. Then next write the numbers under the place value chart. So first number you have to write the bigger number. What is the bigger number? 8,40,366 minus 3,84,257. So now what you have to do? You have to subtract from the ones place. What is the ones place? 6 minus 7. 6 minus 7, you can't subtract. 6 is the smaller number. So you have to borrow from the previous number. Here you will get one number will be reduced, 5, and one number, if you borrow, you will get 16. 16 minus 7, you will get 9. 5 minus 5, 0. 3 minus 2, 1. 0 minus 4, you can't subtract because 0 is the smaller number. So borrow from the 10,000s place. Here you will get 3. Here you will get 10. 10 minus 4, 6. 3 minus 8, you can't subtract. Borrow from the lakh place. If you get 1 from this number, one number will be reduced. Here you will get 13. 13 minus 8, you will get 5. 7 minus 3, 4. So now what is the answer? 4,56,109. Third problem, multiply 1,245 by 275. First you see the number of digits in the problem, 4 by 3. So draw the place value chart for 4 digits. So now write the number under the place value. So now you have to multiply the number 4 by 3. 4 digit by 3 digit. So you have to start from 5, that is the ones place. 5 times 5 is 25. 2 carry over. 5 times 4 is 20. 20 plus 2, 22. 2 carry over. 5 times 2 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. 1 carry over. Then 5 times 1 is 5. Then 5 plus 1 is 6. So next step, you have to take the next number, that is 7. So 7 is in the tens place. So you have to replace ones place 0. Then you proceed with the multiplication of the number 7. So 7 times 5 is 35. 3 carry over. Then 7 times 4 is 28. 28 plus 3 is 31. 3 carry over. Then 7 times 2 is 14. 14 plus 3 is 17. Then 1 carry over. Then 7 times 1 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. So you have to take the next number, that is 2. It is in the place of hundreds. What you have to do, you have to replace in ones place 0, tens place 0. Then you have to proceed with the hundreds place. So now 2 times 5 is 10. 1 carry over. Then 2 times 4 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. Then 2 times 2 is 4. Then 2 times 1 is 2. So now next step, you have to add all the numbers. So 5 plus 2 0. So you will get 5 plus 0 5. 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 0 7. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 0 is 3. Now 6 plus 9 is 15. 15 plus 7 is 20. 2. 2 carry over. 2 plus 8 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. 1 carry over. Then 1 plus 2 is 3. So the answer is 3,42,375. Fourth problem. Divide 34,856 by 12. So your first step, you have to write the dividend inside the division bar. 856. Then divisor will be out of the division bar. Now after that, next step is you have to divide. How will you divide? So in divisor we have 2 digits. The same digit you can take in the dividend. So you will get 34. 34 divided by 12. You have to check. You have to divide. So for dividing this number, next step you have to multiply 12 times. 12 times 1 is 12. Then 12 times 2 is 24. Then 12 times 3 is 36. So you have to take below the number, not the above number of the dividend. So 12 times 2 is 24. Now next step you have to subtract. 4 minus 4, 0. 3 minus 2, 1. Now we got the dividend is 10. You can't divide 10 by 12. So you have to take the next digit 8. Now you will get 108. Then 12 times 9 is 108. Now what is the next step? You have to subtract. 8 minus 8, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. Or 108 minus 108, 0. Then you have to down one digit. You can't divide 0 divided by 12. So what you have to do? You have to take the next digit 5. So 5 divided by 12. You can't divide. So what you have to do? We need the next digit. So you have to put 0. Then only you have to take the next digit. So now we got 56. Now how many times you will get 12 in this 56? So we will get 4 times 48. Next you have to subtract this number 56 minus 48. You will get 8. So now what is the answer you got? So the top of this number is, we'll give the name for this number is quotient, and the number which we got here is the remainder. So remainder you can denote it as the symbol R. Quotient you can denote it as Q. So in division you have to remember these steps. First step you have to divide. Next you have to multiply. Then next you have to subtract. Then next you have to bring down. So you can remember this code for the division, that is DMSB. D for divide, M for multiply, then S for subtract, B for bring down. So I hope you understand the today's concept. Thank you.